My first thought when I saw this 25-foot whale shark was, bummer. You see, a group of divers and I were making our second dive on the former Coast Guard cutter Mohawk, Southwest Florida's most popular artificial reef. And about 25 minutes into the dive, my camera quit. My guess was dead batteries. Then this big fish showed up, and there I was with a useless camera. Bummer. That's my dive buddy, Cheryl McWilliams, swimming down to the Mohawk to get her camera from her mother. Anyhow, in a moment of hopeful desperation, I hit the power button, and the camera beeped to life. So I chased the shark into the gloom for a while before heading down to meet Cheryl on the Mohawk. We were really stoked, giving each other underwater high fives and wishing the shark had stuck around longer. Then, as we started our ascent, we saw the shark near the surface. And it actually swam down to meet us. I was starting to think I was some kind of shark whisperer. But I found out later that whale sharks seem to be attracted to divers' bubbles. Did you know that whale sharks are called dominoes in Mexico? I wonder why. Speaking of bubbles, the ones in the background are from divers down on the Mohawk who didn't know the whale shark was right above them. There's Cheryl again, with her camera this time. The whale shark looks as if it's barely moving, but Cheryl is really kicking hard to keep up with it. Finally, Cheryl broke contact with the shark swam off, and we thought the encounter was over. But much to our surprise, the shark circled the Mohawk and made another pass. Check out the remores in the shark's tail. That must be a heck of a ride. By this time, my vocabulary had been reduced to one word. Wow.